absorb blood and vaginal secretion by inserting it into the vagina during menstruation. Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nurse Hannah, and in today's video I'll be teaching you all about tampons, how to use tampons. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Promise you today's video will be very interesting. For many people, tampons can be very difficult to use. They'll feel it's uncomfortable. A lot of people feel unsecured with tampon. They feel like tampon are somehow, since it's going to be inserted into the vagina. But I'm here to help you through the process. If you're finding it difficult, finding it somehow like many people for their first time using tampons had hard time with it. So dive in with me to this video and watch throughout, and you understand how to use a tampon and how to use it correctly without any hurt to yourself. A tampon is a menstrual device or menstrual product that is used to absorb blood and vaginal secretion by inserting it into the vagina during menstruation. Tampons are pocket-sized cardboard or plastic applicator with an absorbent material. Once it's placed inside the vagina, it collects blood. It absorbs the blood flow without causing discomfort or pain. The type of tampon to get and use depends on your body. It depends on you. For a first-time user, use the cardboard applicator to be easy to insert and draw. I'll be teaching you how to insert and how to remove them. So we have this. This is not advisable for a first-time user. It's very important to know how your body works. Know if you have a heavy flow, a light flow, or just regular flow. It will help you know the kind of tampon to buy. We have the light, we have the regular, and we have the super. So buying the one that suits you, suits your blood flow, will help you prevent the leakage. Well, the truth is, tampons are not 100% leak proof. Once you figure out how to use tampons, they can be extremely comfortable, and they come in different form, different shape, different absorbance level. We have the cardboard applicator, the plastic applicator, and no applicator. Every tampon has a strange, and don't be scared like maybe it gets deep down inside. This rope is sewn up to the level here. It's very tight. Look at it. It's not cutting anytime soon. So feel relaxed and know your blood flow, so you know the absorbency level to buy. If it's super, if it's light or regular, then you choose the one that works for you. How to insert. For a first time beginner, it's normal, it's absolutely normal to be nervous. You'll be like, how do I do this, that? You'll be anxious and you'll be nervous. It's quite normal, but just relax, calm your mind, calm your nerves. You're going to do this and it's going to work perfectly, and you will love it even more than the ones you've been using. Maybe you're using pad or menstrual cup. You will love this when you start using it. So the first thing to do is relax, calm your mind down, and don't be nervous. It's okay to ask your doctor, your nurse, your health provider, your mom, a sister, a friend, on more guidance on how to use this. And then the next thing you have to do when you want to insert your tampon is to get a tampon. I taught this one already. You get a tampon. This is a box of a tampon. You pick out one out. Then when you pick it out, you know you're ready to put it on. Then you wash your hand. Washing your hand is very important, because it is 100% easier to get infected. Yes. So if you don't wash your hand well, you're going to infect down there. So my lovely people, washing our hands is very important when putting on a tampon. It's the first thing first. After washing your hands, you dry your hand with a clean towel. Not the word clean towel, because we don't want to be introducing any bacteria, any fungi, any germs into our body, into our vagina. Then position. We have various positions to stay. I will put it on the screen. You'll see the position. You take the position that suits you, a position you'll be able to insert it. So you're going to take a best position that fits you, a position that you are more relaxed in. So you take your tampon, you take it, then you tear it gently, you tear it open gently, tear it open so it won't fall off from your hand. And when you open it and you bring it out, it's like this. This is it. This is it. This is the string, the applicator, and this is the tip. So this is going to be our vagina, but it's not. It's actually not. We're pretending this is the vagina because I don't have a puppet vagina with me. So we're using this container as the vagina. Then you take it in your hand. You use your dominant hand. I'm a left-handed person, so this is my dominant hand. And then this is the vagina. Calmly and gently try putting it in. If you try to put it in gently, you feel yourself hitting a wall. And then look at the string. The string is outside. This place will be outside your vagina. This one will be inside. You keep pulling it in, and then you take the applicator. You push it. You push it out. Pull it out. Look at it. Look. Pull it out, 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 and out. Then look, applicator will be inside, and when you pull it out, this is it. This is it. Then the string will be out. And when it's in, you won't feel anything. You won't feel it inside. You won't feel it. You won't feel pain or discomfort. If you are feeling pain or discomfort, it means that it's not properly put in. Look at it. There's nothing here anymore. There's nothing here anymore. Let's say this is the vagina. The tampon is already in and the applicator is out. The applicator is not going inside. The applicator is helping the tampon get in properly. We have the ones without applicator. I said that before. Let's say it's not having an applicator. This is it. The ones without an applicator. This one has an applicator and we've already practiced putting it in. Then let's use this. If you got the one without an applicator, you have to be very careful so as not to get it contaminated, because you see this one with an applicator, this applicator is protecting it from being infected, protecting it from germs. So by the time you put it inside your vagina, you're already removing the applicator, so it's already inside. For this one, you have to be extra careful. Clean your hands, make sure your hands is properly cleaned, and then you insert. Just insert it straight. When you insert it, nothing should be coming out. This should be in. Then just the rope remaining. And don't worry if you did not get it for the first time. It can take a few more times to get it correctly, and then the blood be getting absorbed inside this. I'll be showing you how it's being absorbed. And when a tampon is being placed in the vagina and liquid is being poured on it, let's say this is the blood. You see it's rising, see it's absorbing. This small tampon becoming as big as this. See the blood. Let's say these are the blood. This is the menstrual blood. Look, this is it. I'm squeezing them out. I'm squeezing them. Do you see the amount? For how long should a tampon last in the body? A tampon should last for 4 to 8 hours. If it's more than that, it will lead to toxic shock syndrome. In my next video, I'll be talking on toxic shock syndrome. This tampon can be used to swim. You can use for dances, people that dance, those people that do athletic activities. It's more good for them. You can swim with it. You can do a lot of things. When trying a tampon on for the first time, it's best advised you should try it on the day you're not going out. because you can make a mistake and you're not perfect in using it. So it's advisable you check your calendar for the day you have a light flow, or maybe you just starting your period and maybe you're some for people the first day of their menstrual flow it's a light bleeding, while for some people it's a heavy bleeding. It depends. You should probably do it on the day you know you might have a light bleeding, or on the day you are at home when you're not going out for work or something, so you won't mess up yourself. So it's advisable to check for that. If you're forgetful or if you want to remember, the best way is to set a reminder, set the alarm. You can set a timer to time you. You like once it's 4 hours, your phone will bring that okay, it's time to change. It's better you set an alarm, because since it's an early beginner, for people that just start using it, you will forget. You won't remember there's anything inside and you might forget completely. So the best way is to set your time. Remember, when it's more than that, it can lead to toxic shock syndrome. If you're not too sure about this, if you're scared or like, I'll get stained or something, this is a pint liner. This is a pint liner. Get it? You get your pint, you place the pint liner on it, place your pint liner on it. After you might have inserted the tampon into your vagina, you place this one on your pants to be extra sure. And then when you want to go to bed, it's more advisable to use a new tampon, because you might sleep for longer. You don't even know. You can sleep for 10 hours, 12 hours. And you know, overusing of tampon, overstaying inside the vagina will lead to TS shock. When you want to remove, it's just like when you want to put it on, you wash your hand. Very important, so you won't get infections. You wash your hand, you go to your comfortable position. The way we position ourselves when we wanted to insert it, the same way you're going to give yourself a good position now to put this out. When you stay in the comfortable position, you might be sitting on the toilet. You might stand and spread your leg wide open, or you might put one leg on the toilet, sit there. Then when you know your hands are already washed and dried, then you put your hand on the rope, then you tug the rope out. When you pull the rope out, it's coming out like this. It's coming out like this. You don't have to wait for 4 hours. If you already start seeing blood staining your underwears, meaning it might already be full. Maybe your blood flow is much. So that's how to remove it. And again, can a virgin use a tampon? Yes, purely yes. A virgin can use a tampon. When you're trying to pull the tampon out of a vagina, if you're finding it difficult to pull, maybe when you're tugging on the rope and it's not bulging, you keep pulling the rope, it's not coming out, relax. It might relax. Just hold on for some time. Hold on for some seconds, then try pulling. If it's wet, if it's full, it will be very easy because it's slippery. There's liquid on it. If it's not even coming out, meaning it might not actually be full, so you have to relax again, calm your nerves, and then position yourself well and pull. You see me, I'm pulling this rope, it's not even pulling, it's not even cutting off. So don't be scared that it's going to come off, or if this thing cuts, to not cut, what will I do? Yeah, so that's it. You will be able to remove it. Don't be scared when it's not coming out. Don't be panicked, don't be worried. Okay, it's going to come out. Once it's wet like this, when you drag this rope, it's going to come out. It's still not coming out, then you go and visit the gynecologist. You go and visit the gynecologist to help in the removal. You visit the gynecologist, when you see it's not coming out at all, you've tried, don't force it, don't bother yourself, don't panic. Just go to the hospital, go to the doctor, go to the gynecologist for a removal. But on the norms, when it's being placed in, it's going to come out easy and simple. Then how to dispose it? When you bring out your tampon out, you bring a tissue paper or a toilet paper, you wrap it in a toilet paper, and when you wrap it in a toilet paper, you dispose it in the dustbin. You don't dispose a tampon in the toilet. Only papers, tissues can dissolve. This will not dissolve in the toilet. It's going to block the toilet. So disposing properly matters. If not, your toilet will get blocked. You won't be able to flush your toilet. So dispose properly. dispose properly, wrap it in a tissue and throw it in the dustbin. Then wash your hand again, and that's all. I hope this video was able to educate you. I hope you were able to understand how to use the tampon, and I hope you're going to try it also. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you have any question regarding this tampon, you have any question regarding your body and how to use it, or any question relating to your health, you can type it down on the comment section and I'll reply you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. Bye.